Hi guys and gals and the undecided, Gary here from Mangamac Workshop, where we fix, repair, sometimes break and have to fix again. Let's get into it. Hi guys, Gary here, Mangamac Workshops. So I've decided to have a go at creating a YouTube channel that hopefully you guys might find interesting. I'm just going to be doing a variety of jobs and fixes, repairs and rebuilding a few things. For example, like this drone here that wasn't working, so I decided to repower it with a new flight controller and see how we go. I've actually got two to do. I've got an orange one that washed up on the beach, so yeah, that's one of the jobs. I've also fixed up a little edger, edging the concrete for the lawn edger, little atom thing, so that wasn't running, so I fixed that, put a new carburetor on that, so that could be my first video to upload if I can get that figured out. I've also done a deck repair on my Husqvarna ride-on mower, so you could find it interesting. I've got a model railway here as well, so might be some bits and pieces there. I've got a G gauge engine that I've got to put back together and get it running again. I've got a laser cutter, so there's a few things I'm engraving and cutting. So hopefully the content will be varied and you'll find it interesting. Please let me know in the comments what you think, what you're interested in. I can add out the content, but you might have to excuse the first few videos until I get things sorted out and figure out how things work and how to edit and record and all those good things. So as they say, every day's a school day, so come along and see what happens on this journey. Thank you for watching.